Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today we have met again. So we are going to start with English grammar. Your first grammar topic is common nouns and proper nouns. Now before moving ahead towards the topic of common nouns and proper nouns, we will see what are nouns. So, what are nouns? As we have studied in grade 1, nouns are also called as naming words. So, the other name for nouns is naming words. It means the name of any people, place, animal or thing. The name of any people means any person, place, animal or thing's name is called as nouns or the naming words. For example, Ram. It is a name of a person. Place. Navsari. As we all live in Navsari. Navsari is a place. Animal. Cat. Cat is a animal. Thing. Bat. Bat is a thing. So, these are the examples of nouns. Nouns means what? Name of any person or people, place, animal or things. So now there are 4 types of nouns. This was the nouns. Now we are going to see the types of nouns. There are 4 types of nouns, but now we are going to see only 2 types, that is the common nouns and the proper nouns. So first we are going to start with common noun. What are common nouns? The names of a people, places, animals or things that are in general are called common nouns. Now what are common nouns? It is the name of any person, places, animals and things that are in general, are called common nouns. Means what? In general means what? That when we talk about any person, places, animals or things, when we are talking about them, we don't know of any specific. Means when we are talking about any in general or means in a group, then it is called as a common noun. For example, if I say the word city. City means which city? Navsari city, Surat city or any different city. We don't know. So it is a general. City is a general. Next is country. Now here when I say the word country, we don't come to know that if we are talking about which country, whether we are talking about India or whether we are talking about some other country. So these are the common nouns. Next, road. There are many different roads. When we say only road, we doesn't come to know which road we are talking about. River. There are many different river. Mountains. Teacher, etc. So when we say about anything which are in general, we don't know about, means we are not talking about any specific thing, then it is called as a common noun. We will see some few more examples. Like first one, Sandy is joining new school today. Now here, which is a common noun, Sandy is a boy. Now if we say Sandy is, yes, Sandy is a noun, but it is not a general. When we say Sandy, it is a name of a particular boy. So here it is not a general, it is a specific, that we are talking about Sandy. Sandy is joining new school today. Which is the other noun? Other noun is school. So school is a common noun. Now Sandy is going to joining new school today. Now he is going to join a school, but which school? Is there any specific name of a school given? No, it is written only school today. So school is a common noun. Second example, birds live on trees. Here also, when we are saying birds, now which birds we don't know. It may be sparrow, it may be parrot, or any other bird. So when we say birds, it may be any bird. So bird is a common noun, and trees. Which tree? It is not specific, like a mango tree or a banyan tree or any other, it may be any other tree. So when we talk about any in general, when we talk about the nouns which are in general, they are called as a common noun. Next, one more example we'll see. Teachers teach in school. Here now it is said that teachers are teaching in school. So teachers means it can be any teacher, any subject teacher or any teacher. So teacher is a common noun and school is a common noun. Okay. Now second is proper nouns. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns, when we talk about a specific person, when we talk about a specific person or a place, they are called as proper noun. So specific name of any specific person or place. For example, if I say Reena, Reena is a name of a person. Reena means only Reena. We are not here. We are talking about Reena, not anybody else. So Reena is a proper noun. Next, Navsari. Navsari, it is a name of a place. So Navsari is also a specific place. So Navsari will be a proper noun. Now we will see some more examples. First, my name is Mark. So here what is the boy name? His name is Mark. So Mark, here we come to know that we are talking about Mark. So Mark is a proper noun. Next, one more example. My cousin lives in New Delhi. So here which is a proper noun? Proper noun is a New Delhi. So where is my cousin living? He is living in New Delhi. So New Delhi is a proper noun. Next, one more example. I was born in June. So what is June? June is also a name of a month, but it is a when we say June, we come to know that I was born in June. So June is also a proper noun. Now we will identify, we will just classify about common noun and a proper noun. Common noun means which is general, the names taken in general, and proper noun means very specific. When we are talking about a single person or a single place, then it is a proper noun. I would like to give you one example, like the girl is playing in the garden. So here what is the noun? Girl is playing in the garden. Girl is a noun. Girl is a noun. But which girl is playing in the garden? Do we come to know that which girl is playing? No. Only it is giving a girl is playing in the garden. So girl is a common noun. But when I say that Divya is playing in the garden, so Divya will be a proper noun, because we come to know that who is playing in the garden? Divya is playing. So Divya will be a proper noun. Understood? Now here we are going to solve this exercise given in your textbook, page number 7. You have to circle the common nouns and underline the proper noun. It means we have to circle the common noun and underline the proper nouns. Now wolf. What is wolf? Wolf is a common noun. So we will circle it. Agra. Agra is a name of a place. Agra is a name of a place. So when we say Agra, it is a particular one single place. So it is a proper noun. Table. Table is a common noun. Mango. Common noun. London. Proper noun. Lion. Common noun. Sister. Common noun. House. It may be house of anyone. So common noun. Stars. There are many stars. So common noun. Delhi. Delhi is only one. So proper noun. Sashi. Proper noun. Books. It may be any book. So common noun. Latika. Latika is a name of a girl. So it is a proper noun. Flag. Flag may be flag of any country or anything. So common noun. France. France is the name of a place, country. So it is a proper noun. Chair. There are many different chairs. So common noun. Ravi. Ravi is the name of a single boy. So proper noun. Pen. Common noun. School. It may be any school. It's the name of the particular school is not given. So common noun. Mason. Common noun. Bottle. Common noun. Cave. Common noun. Chennai. Chennai is the name of a place. And boat. Common noun. So here we have seen about the types of two nouns, that is common nouns and a proper noun. So common noun means which is very general, and proper noun specific means very specific. Now I will give you some words. You have to classify those words into common nouns or a proper noun. Those words are Mumbai. Next is books. Ranjit. Class. India. Mother. Tiger. Stool. So you have to classify these words as a common nouns or a proper noun. This is your homework. So you are going to do it on your own. You have to classify these words among the common noun and the proper nouns. Thank you and have a nice day.